Ask me, Martin, why paintless dent repair should matter to you as a customer.
Why does paintless dent repair matter to me?
It's a good question, Martin. Now, let me ask you a question. Have you ever left a building, whether it was a restaurant or a department store or church, and found that someone dinged or dented your car?
Several times.
What'd you do about it?
I looked at it and that's it.
Okay, you did what most people do. Did you get a little bit mad?
Every time.
They didn't leave a note?
No insurance, nothing.
They didn't leave a note?
They didn't even tell me nothing.
Blank check?
They didn't nothing.
Okay. Did you look into what it would cost to get a small ding or dent fixed using the paintless dent repair process?
I did call up a buddy.
And how much did they tell you it would be?
For all, $350.
Well, the smaller ones are 50, 60 bucks. Some of the bigger ones could be up to $150. But you never got any of those fixed, did you?
I did not.
Martin, you know that you ended up paying for them anyway, though.
I'm sure.
How?
When I traded my car in.
Okay, you, Martin, are a customer now, not a salesperson.
Oh.
A customer's not going to know that.
All right, okay.
Okay?
I just always said it, I'm sorry.
Okay, no problem. Well, you're a smart customer because, yeah, you do recognize you did pay for those. Because every time you trade a car in or sell it privately, doesn't matter, someone's going to deduct from the value of your vehicle for every ding and dent you have. All right? Here's what we're going to do for you. We're going to provide you complimentary a year's worth of paintless dent repair. Okay? We will fix an unlimited number of dings and dents during the first year. What's that going to do for you? Well, it's going to reduce your cost of ownership because you're not going to have to pay to have them done. It's going to keep your vehicle looking better, and there's a good chance that you'll get more when you go to trade it or sell it. And by the way, Martin, if you like that idea, you can extend that coverage out to 5 years. We'll talk about that later. Okay? That's what you have to do to go through paintless dent repair. Does that make sense?
Yep.
Okay,
You said
everyone.
it's only 2 visits, right?
Only 2 visits, right. I'm not gonna, I'm not gonna necessarily tell him that right now, because
Right.
again, I want to get him seeing value
Engaged.
in what we're doing here.